Fix right click keeps loading forever in Windows 10 or 11. So when you right click your mouse, usually it is supposed to show up some refresh settings and other options as such. But if this is taking forever, this could be due to many reasons. First, you want to check you are not using any memory hogging background applications. And here you'll find this option. So you can just right click on it and just close down any background applications that you might find. Now, over after that, what you actually want to do is on the next tab, you can just simply open your settings. From the bottom left, you can go to an option that says Windows Update and simply make sure to ensure that you are using the latest up-to-date version of Windows. After you've done that as well, what you can also try to do is to simply try to restart your computer and see if that helps you. You also want to make sure that you have got plenty of storage on your C drive as well as also other drives that you might have. So you can try to clear out any of the unnecessary files that is not necessary for you, and that should most likely help you solve those problems. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.